You know, I think I'm starting to understand why there aren't that many water park vloggers. People come to the water parks and just filming every single day because it's such a chore. I have this for my camera. I got this brand new GoPro over here. It's really new, by the way. Hi. I'm like looking for my lens for the camera because I'm in the shade right now, so I don't need it, but I will need it when I go out in the sun. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the latest episode of VincentVision. Watch out. We are here in the parking lot of Universal Orlando Resort. We are going to have some fun today. We're going somewhere I haven't been for a hot minute, and we're going because it's hot. We are going to Volcano Bay. Yay, Volcano Bay! It is the summer. It is the time to go, so that's what we're doing. I also bought this nifty new little GoPro over here. This is the GoPro Hero 7. I want to use this as an accessory, as a companion when I ride roller coasters, go to water parks, things like that. It's not the brand new Hero 8, but it is an upgrade from what I was using before. So I'm excited to try this out at Volcano Bay. Even though you really can't use it on like all of the water slides officially, I'm still excited to test this baby out. And let me tell you, man, it was like a whole thing to get this going. Like, I bought it at City Walk, but then I didn't have the charger, and I had to charge it at home, so I went back to my house. I sat there for an hour and charge it, and this and that and that, and the stress was building up, and now we're here. It's about 2:15, so I don't have all day here at Volcano Bay. It closes at 5 o'clock, but the 2.5 hours that I can get here to relax, I'll take it, man, because it's just been a stressful little event.
How many in your party?
Hello, just one.
Just one. I'm going to have you in section 4.
Awesome, thank you. Section 4. Section 4. Oh, they're seeing the buses like this. I'll also say that I haven't been to Volcano Bay since the social distancing and stuff like that, so I'm assuming it's going to be a lot like Aquatica, but we'll see. Maybe just a little bit more of a universal spin to it, since they seem to be just a little bit stricter. All right, we have arrived at the gateway. I don't know if this has a fun name or anything like that. When I had seen where they were building Volcano Bay, I was like, how are people gonna like get to the park? Obviously the solution was an underground tunnel that goes, there's roads above us right now that lead into the highway, which I think is kind of fun. I'm excited to be back. I like this place a lot. And it's like not super sunny, but sunny enough that like I will enjoy a nice little dip in the wave pool. All right. We got the filter on, the ND filter here, so we can enjoy these sunny days. We've put my ND filters on, my shades here, and now we're ready to enjoy our day here at Volcano Bay. Ha ha ha. Kia ora, my friends. That's how they say hello here at Volcano Bay. You know how it is. You're gonna see these signs everywhere. But here it's a little different at Volcano Bay. Here at VB, basically, face coverings are encouraged. So you can walk, I burped. So you can walk around the park without a mask. That's fine. They understand that you're going from slide to slide or pool to pool or whatever. But if you're going to a restaurant or a store, then they're gonna want you to put the mask on, which I think is pretty fair. But now that we're here and it's only kind of half encouraged, okay, all right. Let's go get a small locker for my electronics and let's get in the water, man. Jeez. That's a good view, man. That's like a movie. Oh no, my favorite little walkway is blocked off. I love going through this way over here and seeing all of the Volcano Bay wave pool. Let's see if I can get a better look over here. Okay, so the day looks a lot better. It was a little cloudy when I was coming in, but this looks so much nicer. All the people here and the two sort of Cabana Bay towers. Gosh, it looks like a Hawaiian beach resort, man. This is so cool. Love these little water jets, especially when I'm walking around barefoot. And as you can tell by my beautiful tan line here, this is partly a big reason why I wanted to show up to Volcano Bay as well, to work this tan line out. So I'm trying to head back towards the park where there are some lockers over there, but I have a feeling that they're not going to be open. So I think I'll just do a lap of Volcano Bay with my nice camera, see how everything looks, see if there's any changes, things like that, and then eventually put it away, use my GoPro for the pools and stuff like that. Like I said, you cannot film on the rides at Volcano Bay, which really is a real big shame. I think that really sucks. These rides are so much fun, and I'm sure they could enforce some sort of safety measures, meet people halfway with that, because you can film everywhere else on every other water park, We'll do what they say. We'll go in the pool. I can still use my GoPro in the pools and the action river and the lazy river and stuff like that. So we'll do that, show that off and see what that's like. A lot of stuff going on, the 2 slides over there, which I'll tell you right now, we're not riding those slides at all. I wouldn't say that those drop slides at the top of the volcano scare me per se, but they are probably the most uncomfortable experience for me. When I was going up to the one, even like at Aquatica, which I don't think is as high as these here, my heart was pounding. Like, I'll go on Summit Plummet any day, but I just don't like the floor dropping. I don't like someone else kind of being in control of that. It freaks me out. This Krakatoa behind me, ooh, I love Krakatoa, such an awesome ride. I'll try and ride it. I wonder if I can go on as a single rider. Maybe not, unfortunately, but we'll try. And I wish I could try this brand new GoPro on it, but that's fine too. And just a little tip, if you're someone like me who only really wants to put their like valuables away, like the wallet, like your GoPro, a camera, right over here in the back, they're very hard to find. Well, sort of hard to find, but they have these mini lockers here. These are $9. Much less expensive than the $15, $16 ones for like that are intended for backpacks and stuff like that. That's mine. It's GoPro time. I hope you can hear me. I hope I'm coming in okay. We're coming to you live from Volcano Bay via GoPro Hero 7. It's kind of nice. It's like 220 bucks, which is a really good deal. It's $100 off right now. I hope the audio's good. I hope you can hear me okay. I have decided to go maskless as well because, well, if I carried around the mask with me, got in the water, it kind of defeats the purpose, doesn't it? We're heading into the river like this. Normally you'd just be able to go right in, but you got to kind of go through this makeshift queue they have here, get a vest, and then get in the water. All right. Time to head into the water of Tayawa, the fearless river. Oh my gosh. Oh, this feels so good already. I love water parks, especially during the summer. And let me just sneak right in there for you. Oh, and now we're doing it. We're in the river. Oh. Whoa. Oh my God. You just go a lot faster. Oh, that was good. Oh my gosh, I'm like going. All right, we're good. We love it. Oh, and of course, while I was looking at the footage, I ended up going on the river for a second lap. I gotta stop drinking this water, man. I've gotten so much water in my nose. Oh, here we go. This is going really fast, by the way. I don't know if you can tell how fast I'm actually going, but I'm not doing anything. I'm just like laying here. Okay, let's see if we get that wave. Ooh. Let's see what happens. I want to catch that wave. Oh, no crazy wave just yet. Whoa! Oh, jeez. That's pretty great. All right. We had our fun. It was good. Great water river experience. A lot of water in the nose. Let's see what else is going on here at Volcano Bay. So Volcano Bay obviously is a beautiful park. I think personally this is the most beautiful water park in Orlando, and especially now, gosh, all these trees have like grown in. This place is like it's like a jungle. It's like it feels like an island, you know what I mean? And I'm just trying to like blow smoke up Universal's butt or anything like that, but it is really impressive how much green there is now versus when this place first opened up. The slides are all really great. Unfortunately, I asked and I said, hey, could you ride Krakatoa by yourself? So you can't. A fallen victim to only being able to ride rides that single riders can ride here because they're not going to group you with random strangers, which isn't really a problem for most people. They come here with groups of people, but for me, showing up by myself, doing like a video, you know, like a business trip, so to speak, yeah, I don't really get to ride a lot of the cool rides here, except the ones at the top of the volcano, which I'm not doing. But it's like kind of about like, well, what time is it? I can't even tell. Oh, that's not a real watch, the Tapu Tapu. It is about 3 o'clock now. I should get some food. I'm gonna go get some food here at Volcano Bay because the slide's great, the scenery is great, but the food selection here is phenomenal as well. And there's somewhere that I am looking to go. And I'm gonna be bringing my mask with me because you need your mask if you're gonna go into the restaurants. So let's go to the restaurant. Oh, Honu and Ika Moana, the blue and the green slide here. Honu being this giant one where you go up the half pipe. Over here is a ride now, which is great, but I'm here by myself, so I can't enjoy it. We're at the Kahola Reef Restaurant. This is the restaurant at the front of the park by the volcano. This here has my favorite dish, my favorite entree. Definitely like top 5 in any theme park. The dish I'm talking about is the delicious, wonderful coconut curry rice bowl. It's got this really nice, kind of spicy sauce, the rice, the plantains, and a Diet Coke, because that's my soda of choice. I'm on vacation. I'm at a water park. Right now what I'm doing is I'm walking to the back over here. I've got my mobile order. I was standing in line over there a little while ago. I thought like I had to wait in line to show my mobile order, but no, I just walk over here and then I guess they'll seat me. We've got our table here. Table 514. Let me point this up at me so you're not looking at my movies. It truly is a very, very nice day here at Volcano Bay. I was honestly a little bit worried that like it's 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, it's gonna rain, but I checked my weather app, everything looks good. I'm having a nice little time here at Volcano Bay, even if I'm not being able to do all the rides. And right now, the way it looks in my head, I'm probably not gonna go on any of the slides. I can come back here another day and do that. It's still nice to just like relax and have a pool day, you know what I mean? My order has been completed. It should be showing up any moment now as I wait here. Look at these giant, massive Cabana Bay towers. I gotta stay in one of those rooms eventually. Imagine having that room right over there, looking out at the park, which is it's behind the trees over here, but it's very beautiful, I can assure you. Thank you so much. Oh man, look at that. Come on. I forgot there was chicken in it, which is making this even better. My mouth is actually watering as I do this. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna eat this thing fast because we want to head back out into the park with the time we have left, but look at that right there. All right, see you guys in a bit. Still a pretty good amount of people here in the park. I think this is definitely one of those places people stay till they get kicked out at 5, but it's nice. It's definitely not as crazy as it was. The seats seem pretty social distance from what I can tell, but man, look at all those people in the wave pool. Water parks are the place to be right now during the summer. I don't blame them. I think it's a good idea for me to get into the wave pool, which I will. As soon as I head back to my locker, we're gonna jump into that beautiful wave pool, bring the GoPro with me, catch some waves. There's not really any waves going on right now, but I'm just happy to be here, all right? So here they go. Woo! And out they go over there. Oh. Oh, this is so nice. You can't beat this. You really can't. Oh, this is colder than the river. I'm gonna go ahead on record and say that I think Volcano Bay is probably the best water park in Orlando. You know, it's big, it's got tons of pools, like, it's good, it's solid. It's like, it's good, there's a lot going on here. I'm feeling pretty good. And let's see, let's go underwater. That look cool? That look cool? I'm gonna get out of the big wave pool here. The waves haven't been going on for a bit, so I'm gonna jump over to the smaller one for a second. I wanna see if I can get a cool underwater shot of the people going through the body plunge, because the tunnel's right there, and if I get there and kind of put it low, I'm sure I could get someone flying by, which I think would be really cool to get on this GoPro. I hope that came out okay on camera, because these guys just zoomed right by me. We're gonna get out of here now. Hopefully there's no one behind me. I can't see. Head towards the lazy river. Do that and end my day. This is really awkward. This is very difficult filming. And my ears are underwater, so I can't hear. I mean, I can hear myself, but I can't hear anything around me. I'm gonna stop talking now and just like focus on my swimming before I drown. Into the lazy river we go. Wasn't planning to do that, but I kind of like this. This is my little donut of security. I like being under these giant, massive structures we call water slides. Oh no! It's actually kind of nice.
The light at the end of the tunnel. Make an ugly face in this whole video.
Yeah, it's always better when we're together. Can you see me? Hold on. It's so much better when we're together. What a successful little day here at Volcano Bay. It's about, what time is it now, huh? This is not an actual watch, I keep forgetting. It's about 4:56 here at Volcano Bay, which means my plan of getting the amazing Waturi Fusion ice cream is not going to be a thing just because I won't make it to the front of the park in 4 minutes. So I'm just here relaxing by my chair. All my crap is over there. Gonna pack that stuff up, dry up, put a shirt on, and get on out of here. You know, I popped into Volcano Bay today just to have a nice little easy day to relax. I also came here with 2 things in mind to do, which I actually didn't get to do today. The first one is work out my pizza tan. I still got a pretty hard tan there. I wasn't out in the sun enough. I didn't sit there and tan like I should have. Didn't have much time to do that. And the second is, I don't know, come up with something to say. I feel like when you do these vlogs, I feel like I've always got to have something to say or like a theme about these videos. And you know, I didn't really. Nothing really crazy happened to me at Volcano Bay today. I just had a pretty decent time. And I kind of realized you just got to enjoy life, especially now more than ever. There's so much bad stuff going on. It's very, very stressful. So take these days where you pop into your favorite water park for 3 hours and just float around the rivers, or go to your favorite theme park, go to your favorite park, do whatever you need to do to make you happy. Because right now, life kind of sucks. You got to do what you can to make yourself happy. And I hope those of you guys who watch my videos, I hope this made you a little bit happy. But apart from that, well, that's all I really got. So hey, thank you guys for watching VincentVision. I hope you had some fun with me on this random little romp here through Volcano Bay. I'm a little sad I didn't get to ride any of the rides, but you know what? If I wasn't able to test out my brand new GoPro on them, I wasn't gonna do it. I'll just come back here some other day on my own with somebody. Like I was saying back over there, I think now more than ever, this is some of the most important times to take care of yourself, take care of your mental being, you know, do the things that you enjoy, be safe, be smart, but don't forget to have fun, because happiness is so, so important. And I don't know where I'm really coming from with all of that, but I don't know, I just felt like I needed to say it today as I was relaxing through the rivers. So thank you guys for watching VincentVision, and mahalo, kia ora, goodbye. I don't really know how they say goodbye here. Bright suns. I don't know, I got nothing. You guys, see you around. Come to Volcano Bay, it's great. Bye bye.